I'm trying to get back to a better cleaning routine. So Emily just had her 11th birthday, can you believe it? And the house really needed some attention. So I'm not working this weekend and I thought it was a good time to catch up with some of my cleaning. I wanted to focus on the sitting room, the cloakroom area, the kitchen and the patio. I took down all of her birthday decorations. I bought these really pretty paper honeycomb decorations, so I took all of those down, and then I just got to cleaning all around the fireplace and so on. I am using my small products again, so I am using a glass cleaner here to clean the fireplace. I am really impressed with these products. I did a video about it recently, and if you are interested, then I have got a discount code which I will include again in the description box for you. The discount code allows you to get 15% off all products for new customers for your first 2 orders. That's a really good discount. I've got my dust attachment on my Shark Hoover. I know some of you have asked me about my Hoover before, and even though I do think it performs well, it does drive me crazy, and in a moment in this clip you'll see that it is going to fall over, and that's one of the problems. It hasn't got a long enough hose, so it really irritates me. But hey, I am using it on my cushions. I do find that it works pretty well. I also wanted to give the kitchen some attention, so in these cupboards I have to stand on a step basically to reach them, so I use these baskets to organise. So I was just going through, just making sure that, see what I had really, and just see whether anything had expired I needed to get rid of, but just also put things that I sort of use less at the top and make sure that everything that we're using more often is at the front, at the bottom and accessible. I also like doing this because I can plan some meals and see whether there's anything that I need to use up, and it's a really good opportunity to give everything a really good clean. Whilst I was doing this cleaning, I had a really yummy candle burning which just smelled absolutely amazing. It was pumpkin pie smell, and I was listening to a podcast. If you are interested, then at the moment I'm really enjoying listening to Everyday Burnout Conversations, just really realistic podcasts about how women or mothers take on so much and expect so much of themselves, and it's just about taking more control of your life and looking after yourself. Again, I will include a link below so that you can check that out if you wanted to. I also wanted to work on my cloakroom area, and I got Emily involved because her feet are growing so fast, and I just needed to go through and see what we had, take any like summer shoes, flip-flops and things like that, and just move them and make sure that everything that we have here are the things that we're actually wearing and fit and are clean.
What size are these?
I'm not sure. They got French sizes on.
Oh, no, they fit.
They did. What about, are these the ones that you're wearing for PE at school?
Where?
These ones, these decathlon ones.
No, No, I don't.
No?
When you...
What, are you wearing those for PE?
Yeah.
Where's your bag then, your PE bag?
Here.
Your actual PE bag?
Here.
Right, can you put them in then? So those bits are alright, hand them back then.
It felt really good to make sure that I'd sorted everything out. I gave everything a good clean and then I had a hoover. I'm pleased that this space feels a bit more organised. I also wanted to focus on the outside. It was a really nice day actually, so I just thought I would get out and clean the windows. I do just use some washing up liquid, to be honest, on the windows and on the guttering, and I was just using my broom, which has got this sort of, it's like a water broom with the hose connection, which works pretty well. I think when the sun shines you can sort of see smudges and things like that, so it's really nice to get out and do this. I also wanted to get out and give the patio a really good clean. We'd been using it all summer, so I moved the umbrella and gave the patio a really good clean. I'd given up on the hose at this point, and just was using a bit of water and some patio magic to clean it up, and that worked really well. Some really have been neglecting the bathroom. I haven't really had the time to give it a really deep clean, and I wanted to clean the ceiling. So I mean, this room really needs to be redecorated. The ceiling needs some attention, and after, I don't know, probably about every couple of months, I need to actually clean the ceiling and get off any kind of black mold or bits that are growing. So I go through with a mop and with some bleach and just clean the ceiling and also give the tiles a really good clean. So I also like to give the shower tray a really good clean. Again, I'm using my small bathroom spray and giving that a really good scrub with a brush and then rinsing it all down. God, this window gets really, really mucky, and like I said, I do need to paint in here. Everything just needs a really good refresh, but for now I've just made do with giving everything a good wipe over, get rid of any dust and any mould spots. So on the Sunday afternoon, I just really wanted to make sure I gave myself some time to rest. It was such a beautiful day, so I wanted to drink my coffee and eat my cake and just enjoy the garden for a while. I have been having a difficult time recently dealing with work. I want to share some stuff about it probably in future videos, because I'm sure other people are probably going through similar situations, working in difficult work environments, and it can really affect you and start to affect every aspect of your life. What I want to make sure I'm doing is prioritising what I need and the needs of my family. That is what is most important to me. Thank you all so much for your love and support, and I'll be seeing you again soon. Bye.